Hello guys, and welcome to the new Slayer guide. So in this guide we'll be dealing with Order of Ascension members, as Morvan likes to call them, and basically on this task you can kill 4 different Slayer creatures, so Rorarius, Gladius, Capsarius and Scutarius. Other than that you can also kill some bosses, legions. There are 6 of them, each with their own separate room in Monastery of Ascension. For me personally, on this task, which is one of my favorite tasks and I have it on my preferred list, I always kill Gladius because I had so much luck with keystones by doing and slaying them in my past. So they're all weak to range, so of course we'll be using chaotic crossbows, the complete Armadillo set, a Zalem Surgeon's ring, some royal bolts, Dragon Rider amulet, Tavas, Alerter, Sharpshooter Aura, Mighty Slayer helmet and Charming Imp. In my inventory, as you can see, almost nothing, so Steel Titan just for quicker kills, and Spring Cleaner because they do drop lots of Runite and Adamantite items, so that's really handy on this task. Of course you can bring some food, but you really don't need it, and some prayer potions if you want to get over with the tasks faster. So the way to get to Monastery of Ascension is by using Uglog Teleport and then running a bit west. You will see it very quickly on the minimap, and once you are here you just climb the stairs down and you enter Ascension dungeon. So about Gladius, first I would like to say that in this first room, as you can see, some people are killing Rorarius, and people usually do them for their Slayer task because they are quite AFK with Protect from Magic or Soul Split, because once you attack one Rorarius, others in your vicinity become aggressive towards you, so they act like a pack, and basically you can pretty much AFK the task by hopping in every once in a while. I myself do Gladius. So with Gladius they start off with 8000 life points, their max hit is 624, but the main thing that you want to be aware of is their special attack. So they like jump backwards, and after that they charge towards you, as you can see here, and they stun you for a couple of seconds and bind you in place. Basically you can negate that special attack by staying close to the Gladius in his melee distance and follow him around, but that requires much more effort. I just let the stun runs out, and then basically my character automatically continues attacking Gladius, and that's just the way I like to do it. You can use Freedom or Anticipation to quickly get out of the effect, but as I said, it really doesn't matter much. So they do drop some charms, they drop lots of crimsons, so 75 to 77% of the time they drop crimson charms. They give 687 combat and 220 Slayer experience, but the main thing of course is keystones. So you can get one of 6 keystones, Primus to Sextus, and the most expensive one now is Primus, worth 440k on Grand Exchange. Those keystones are their rare drop along with Ceramic Scale, and if you get really lucky you can get Ascension Grips, which are worth 4.5 million GP, but that's a very rare drop. As I said, do these tasks, don't ever skip them, prefer them if you want, because it's really one of my favorite tasks. And yeah, basically that's it. Always do Ascension members, and as always, enjoy.